YouTube. So just a real quick video. I went for a ride along in my buddy Levi's Fox body, and just want to show, I don't know, just something to do here. It's raining, and we decided to just take it out for a spin. And I love Fox bodies. They're absolutely amazing. The smell, the feel, you really feel like you're driving a vehicle. I rode with him, but still the same. Brings back good memories, childhood memories, and all that stuff. Pretty much the first modified vehicle I'd say that I rode in was my Uncle Kevin's 91 Fox, I think it was. It was supercharged, Vortec, and a little 306 car. It was absolutely awesome. So the first time I ever went to a drag strip was in that car. We drove there. I mean, it was absolutely awesome. So, like this video, comment, share, subscribe, all that good mess. But hope you enjoy. Not in the car on skinnies.
It would probably wheel off and brake.
To be fair, but I'm gonna be honest, I was not expecting that. It scared the crap out of me.
I'm just glad it didn't wheel up.
Why would it wheel up? It's been raining for 2 days.
You know what tires I have on this unit?
Grippiest Cooper Cobras in the world.
Grippiest. I don't need a blinker. They knew which way I was going.
People stop for you, don't they?
Always. Like this guy, you want to stop right?
Man, dude, those 12-inch brakes work so good.
You should leave them.
So, okay, you do realize that upgrading to aerospace or strange,
I don't really care what brakes.
they're the same size.
No, I do 20-inch brakes with these.
20-inch brakes.
For my 17s that I don't have.
Dude, 17s would look so good though.
If I do 17s, it's got to be welds.
Go ahead and shell out that $1,500 for the front tire or front wheels and tires. Because you're looking at $400 for tires and at least $1,000 in rims. At least.
I know.
But it's worth it.
They look so good.
But it's worth it. Oh, watch that big old hole. Yeah, gone. Where are you going?
I gotta get gas. Half a tank.
What? You have a half a tank? Won't you take me back since Steve's waiting on me to give him money?
You can wait 2 seconds. Actually, I don't even need gas. I'm just gonna put it in reverse while I'm going forward.
God, please, slammed it. Got that stock T5 life right here, man. So you don't need gas?
No, but you know what I want? Candy.
Don't do. Oh, I was gonna say don't.
I really want a monster.
Don't do it.
You've been telling me. All right, time to make a hit in the wet streets.
They're stopped. Oh God. Oh jeez. Oh, oh man.
Sponsored by Reese's Sticks. That's just for aesthetics. It's been gone for like 2 years now. That's how I feel when you're on your phone every single time.
Oh man.
Some people race their daily. I daily my race car.
Look at that. Look at all that America in the back seat, man. Woo! He scared the absolute crap out of me just now. Man, dude, I can hear the bald eagles. Do you hear them? Oh! Oh, we gotta engine brake that mug.
God,
absolutely.
These 12-inch brakes don't work.
Man,
but don't upgrade them.
like they don't work. You about slammed me through the dash earlier.
We were going half a mile an hour though.
Still, man, crazy, crazy, crazy.
We don't need seat belts because I'm a safe.
Where we're going,
I'm a safe.
we don't need seat belts.
I'm a safely driver. Safely driver.
You're a safely driver. You're a safe. Are you
seen a
safe?
picture that says somebody loves you, slow down. Well, I didn't have a Valentine, so
A Valentine?
a Valentine. I put that on my Snap the other day.
Oh man.
Did you see that?
No.
I don't know if I have it now.
Oh man. So
I hope I
good.
saved
So
it.
good.
It was funny.
Gotta love riding in a Fox body. The smell of a... Oh yeah. I didn't realize you put Valentine.
Yeah, it did.
But the smell of a Fox body,
They all smell the same.
they all smell the exact same. And I love it so much.
Here in a minute, you'll see the mirror test. See how 4x4 this thing sits. It may not. With us both in it, it might sit really nice.
Are you saying I'm fat?
Yeah. Dude, remember the first time when you raced Logan? When all of us were piled in here? How like hella flush it was. That's how it needs to be all the time.
We beat Logan with how many? With 3 people in the car?
No.
Are you talking about when we? When we just drove down there.
It's the same day. You're like, I'm going to show you how to shoot.
Did too, didn't I?
Yeah, you ground every single gear.
No, I didn't.
Bull.
You weren't even in here.
What was the first time when you first drove it? I let you abuse my car. You should be nice to me more.
You do realize Fox bodies have to be abused.
Here they break. Unless you're me, then they break whether you abuse them or not.
It's a pretty awesome daily. It's probably the coolest daily. Probably not in the world, but Southern West Virginia. I don't know. There's some pretty cool lowriders.
This is probably the coolest daily in Princeton.
I don't know.
This might be the coolest daily in Verona.
In Verona, yeah, probably.
Think we can make it?
Not now. Oh, it's so wet and fun. Oh, God.
I don't know why I don't have tires ever.
Don't know why those Nittos wore out.
I couldn't afford Nittos again. That's why I bought Cobras. Just better edit that stop sign out.
Let's blur that stop sign. I should have put my hand up.